Are you looking for the best dual shower heads for bathroom? The demand for dual shower heads is rising as more homeowners look to transform their bathrooms into spa-like retreats. These versatile setups offer the perfect blend of luxury and functionality, catering to both relaxing rainfall showers and targeted handheld sprays. Whether you are a fan of high-pressure streams or broad water coverage, this guide evaluates the best options on the market, focusing on spray modes, build quality, ease of installation, and value for your money. Product number 1, Hammerhead Showers Dual Shower Head Combo. The Hammerhead Showers Dual Shower Head Combo stands out with its solid brass construction and stainless steel components, delivering durability and luxury in one. The 8-inch rainfall head offers wide coverage, while the 3-setting handheld lets you switch between massage, wide spray, and combination mode. It's a breeze to install and delivers a strong 2.5 GPM flow, providing a powerful and satisfying shower experience. The adjustable brass shower arm ensures easy height adjustment, ideal for families or shared spaces. If you want a long-lasting, high-performance setup that looks as good as it works, this is a top-tier choice. Plus, the chrome finish gives it a modern and sleek look, easily complementing most bathroom styles. Product number 2, Dual Handheld Shower Head Combo 2-in-1 Rain Shower Head System 8-inch Rainfall Shower Head. This 2-in-1 rain shower system offers flexibility with both a fixed 8-inch rainfall head and handheld sprayer. It's an excellent option for households needing dual coverage for comfort and convenience. The overhead head provides full body coverage with a soothing rain-like feel, while the handheld unit offers a more targeted experience. With multiple spray settings and a high-flow design, this combo brings versatility to your daily routine. The easy-to-clean nozzles and sleek chrome finish enhance longevity and aesthetics. While the build is mostly plastic, it feels sturdy and well-made for its price point. Product number 3, High-Pressure Rain Shower Head. Upgrade shower heads with handheld spray combo with fixed shower head. This high-pressure rain shower head combo is perfect for those who love intense water flow. With a fixed rain shower and handheld combo, it delivers strong, consistent pressure even in low water pressure homes. The square rain head has a stylish contemporary design, while the handheld features multiple spray patterns, ideal for rinsing hair, pets, or cleaning the shower itself. Its anti-clog nozzles make maintenance simple. Installation is tool-free, and the adjustable bracket offers additional convenience. Product number 4, Bright Showers High-Pressure Dual Shower Head Combo Handheld Shower Head Rainfall Shower Head. The Bright Showers combo impresses with its sleek design and multiple spray options. It features a fixed rainfall head and a 5-function handheld that includes mist, massage, and full spray modes. What sets it apart is its strong water output despite being water efficient. It's made from high-quality ABS plastic with a chrome finish and comes with a stainless steel hose. It also includes an anti-leak diverter and adjustable mount, which adds to its ease of use. Product number 5, Veken Wide Range Shower Head with Handheld High-Pressure Rainfall Shower Head Combo. The Veken Shower Head Combo offers wide water coverage with a 7.9-inch rain head and a multi-function handheld sprayer. It's engineered to deliver consistent pressure even with low water flow. The self-cleaning silicone nozzles resist lime buildup, and the 5-foot hose adds extra reach for added functionality. With 5 spray patterns and a sleek brushed nickel finish, it blends performance and aesthetics at a great price point. It also comes with Teflon tape and installation tools, making setup quick and easy.